So a little bit different morning for me today. I need to, well, how to say, lead my kids to the train station. So we are leading to some excursion. And yeah, so today I'm on this road alone and take a look around. That's winter in my town. Yeah, so train station. There's a lot of snow. So now I'm going home and we'll get back on my works, on my stuff to do. And yeah, so what I was thinking about filming today is like something what is on my mind and something what is in my life. Nice church over there. Yesterday, what I was doing, I remembered that in some not released videos of mine, I was thinking about maybe I should go ahead and try to use some AI stuff for building, for releasing. Now we should be good to go. Good to film. Let's start the car. Yeah, so what we have here is like really cold morning. Not maybe very cold, but a little bit cold. And yeah, so I was thinking about using AI for my own stuff and and how it's like to revise my old projects and to make maybe small updates for them. Should be good now. And yesterday I got like few moments for trying to do so, and surprise, surprise, I just released updated version of one of my projects. It's goal planner, AI projects, AI stuff, and all projects. And yeah, so probably 3 or 4 years ago, I was building that Go Planners app when celebrating New Year's Eve with my friend. And this year we also celebrated New Year together. But he came in like really tired. He got like very busy day, a lot of activities in the last day. So sometimes that extra time and extra stuff you can do in the same time is really beneficial. For example, yesterday I spent like, I don't know, maybe half an hour in total while writing those prompts to get some kind of update. Yeah, I needed to think a little bit up front and to try to figure out what's going on and how that project was working before, because there was like a huge time gap between last deployment of that project. So I needed to make sure that all that CI/CD pipelines runs and so on. Yeah, so I spent a few times figuring that out. But you know, if you've done it once, it's probably not a big deal to done it another one time. So everything is fixed and green, and the updated version is already live. And yesterday what I managed to do is I managed to update all the dependencies, move from Vue 2 to Vue 3. That's tiny project, it's not a big deal, but still we had like few dependencies, including Firebase, including complete UI library, which was used before Bootstrap Vue, awesome library, and now it isn't supporting Vue 3 at the moment, so I had to make changes and adapt to Vue Bootstrap Vue next project. It's also similar ideas but not exactly the same, but for my own needs in that particular project it's good enough. So yeah, so all of that was done completely automatically with a few issues, but it wasn't very bad, and it didn't took very long to figure out. On top of that, what I've done, I increased the type safety in all that project. We had used the TypeScript for scripting part of Vue components, but there was like missing type definitions, all kind of loose typing, and that can lead to all kind of problems. So all of that is fixed now, and on top of that, even more stuff was added. Uh, we just like uh, introduced proper code linting and before commit. It's like a commit hook, which when you committing the code, it runs and it checks all the project files for stuff which can be hunted down, like incorrect typing, incorrect imports and used imports, console logs, and so on. So everything now it's in place, and I would say it's like a huge step forward when you're trying to maintain good quality of code. And yeah, so all of that was done purely by AI. Again, with few gotchas, with hiccups and a few tiny problems, which needed some manual adjustments. But I would say it like up to 5% only. Yeah, so pretty impressive, I would say. And also, I was adding a new landing page, and what I noticed, if task tasks involve some kind of styling or design stuff, and you are like giving that task for AI to figure out, it's a huge chance that you will have like messed things up, because uh, maybe there's like a huge bias needed for like how you like your stuff to be looking, because for one person is like it's good enough to have like low contrast stuff, and for others is like no, and so on so on. So the same applies for the AI, and usually when there's like mixed situations where there's no clear answer, you can expect that things will need your modern attention, more attention, and you will need to figure out by yourself how to solve one or another issue. So yeah, nothing new, nothing surprisingly, no surprises here, and I'm glad that my project is up to date now, and I will be maybe adding even more stuff, more features on top of that, because I was like still lacking time, and wondered how to move ahead with that project to make it really useful for people. Maybe yeah. So I have some more ideas of how to improve it and how to move forward with that project. But for now, I will probably be allocating like half an hour a week probably on that project, and with AI stuff we will be moving forward. So I will try to update on that project, and if you're interested in how it looks now, just go ahead and hit that route, goal-planner-.eu Europe. So yeah, and see you next time. Thanks. Okay, now let's get back to work. What do we have here? Snow is coming. Snow. What is that? That's it. Going home.